In this video, I'll show you how your developers can use Purecode AI to search your codebase and quickly gain understanding of what's going on. To demonstrate this, I'm going to ask the model to explain this properties/single/ID page on our running app here and give me a few qualifiers about it. So I'll say explain the properties single ID page, how it's configured. In your explanation, please include the following details: the files involved and all major functions of the page, the different components that make up the page, any APIs that are connected to the page, what data sources are being accessed, as well as any other important information you can think of. So I'll click Codebase here to send our Codebase as context along with the prompt. And as you can see, our model is going through, scanning your code, and getting a deep understanding of what's going on in this page. It's going to return some information to us here. Let's take a look. Files involved are your app.jsx, your component/property detail page, which is the actual page that we're looking for here. Explain some of the major functions of the page, the way the data is structured on the page, as well as backend routes that are related. This is our breakdown of the different components. Here we can see the API that's connected, as well as our data source, which is MongoDB. And here are the other important details that the model pulled out for us. Redirection is done here. This is how the page is linked. Some AI-powered insights that are halfway configured on our page, and a short summary as well. So this is just one example of how developers can get quickly acclimated to your code base and start producing results as fast as possible.